Here we'll practice independent events, and remember independent events can often be more than one event, so it's no longer a simple event for these. Problems 1 through 6 you're going to use a spinner, and because we're using the word and means we're doing two things. What is the probability of, if you have a die and you have a spinner, what is the probability of rolling a 1 and spinning an A? So in this case we're doing two things. We're rolling a 1 and we're spinning spinning for an A. So here we're going to have two fractions, one for each one. The probability of rolling a 1 on a die is 1 out of 6. And then we're going to multiply that by the probability of getting an A. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 A's out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. So, and these are all independent because the die and the spinner is not going to change. It's always going to stay the same. So that's why they're also independent. So just like before, we're going to go ahead and multiply one time the numerators and then the denominators. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 8 is 48. So you have a 4 in 48 chance. We're going to go ahead and convert that to a decimal into a percent. 4 divided by 48 is 0.08 with 3 repeating, so 0.08. Now we're going to go ahead and change this to a percent. This is an 8% chance. So you have an 8% chance of rolling a 1 and spinning the letter A on the spinner here. So looking down here at your answer choices, here's the 8%, so we're going to go ahead and write down the number 1. So I'll do a different problem here. What is the probability that you will lose a turn? So on this one, these are just simple events. What's the probability that you'll lose a turn? Here you have 1 lose a turn out of how many sections? I'll just start here at the 450. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's 24 sections. So you have a 1 in 24 chance of losing a turn. So 1 divided by 24, you have 0.04, which is a 4% chance that you'll lose a turn. So on this top section, every time you see the word and, you're going to make sure you have more than one fraction because you have more than one event going on. This one down here, you have the spinner, and I'm not quite sure, but it looks like most of these are just going to be one fraction because you're only spinning the spinner once. But make sure you go ahead and match up your answers down here. So this number 9 here, the 4% would be, it's actually this, where is it? It's actually not even converted to a percent, so you have a 1 in 24 chance. I still would like to see you go all the way to the percent, but you have a 1 in 24 chance, so it's this one here, so that was number 9. Now go ahead and finish up the rest of the page.